Hey y'all, I've got some critical care IV drip problems I want to work for y'all. So put your big boy and big girl panties on. The order is to begin Dobutamine infusion at 3 micrograms per kilogram per minute for a patient with hypertension. 800 milligrams of dopamine is added to 250 milliliters of normal saline. The patient weighs 70 kilograms. The nurse needs to calculate the rate in milliliters per hour at which to set the pump. Out the gate, you know we're going to have to deal with that weight. Thankfully, they were sweet enough to go ahead and give us the kilograms. So the doctor wants 3 micrograms for every 1 kilogram. We got 70 of them. So we got to multiply 70 kilograms times 3 micrograms. If you don't trust your brain, get your calculator. 70 times 3 equals 210 micrograms per what? Per minute. Okay? And look, we got to calculate it in milliliters per hour. So I need to know how many micrograms he's getting per hour. How would I do that? Multiply this times 60 minutes. 210 times 60 is 12,600 micrograms per hour. Okay. And look at our dose on hand. It's in milligrams right here. So it's up to me which one I want to convert, but I got to convert something. This is micrograms. So remember, you got kilograms, grams, milligrams, and micrograms. I'm going to convert the micrograms, which is 12600, to milligrams. If I'm going from micrograms to milligrams, I got to move it to the left. In this number, it's a whole number. The decimal is understood to be behind the 0. I'm going to grab that sucker and go 1, 2, 3, and put it right there. And then I'll know 12.6 milligrams is my new dose ordered. You with me? You picking up what I'm putting down? Okay. So what he wants is 12.6 milligrams. What I have that matches milligrams, because you got to have the same last name to go in this fraction, is 800 milligrams. Times how it comes. It's coming in 250 milliliters. And we're doing the math. That divided by that times that. Okay? Here we go. 12.6 divided by 800 equals, don't look, you're not done, times 250 equals, it will be 3.93. So you know that 9 is going to make that 3 a 4. And it will need to infuse at 4 milliliters per hour. Why did we round it to the whole number? Because they didn't tell us not to. Okay, let's do another one. Take a breath. Get a swallow of your beverage. Okay, here we go. The licensed describer orders Dobutamine 12 micrograms per kilogram per minute for Miss White, who weighs 75 kilograms. The concentration of Dobutamine is 1 gram in 250 milliliters. How many milliliters per hour should the IV pump be programmed? So first we got to deal with the weight. He wants 12 micrograms for every kilogram, and we got 75 of them. So 75 kilograms times 12, and we're doing the math. That's what? Micrograms. Okay, come on, do it with me. Times 12 equals 900 micrograms per what? Per minute. Pay attention to that. But look, of course, Ethel wants it per hour, goodness. So I'm going to find out, that's 900 per minute. I got to find out how many per hour. I'm multiplying this times 60 minutes. simply because we are grown and we can. 900 times 60 equals 54,000. 54,000 micrograms per hour now. And so this is the new dose ordered. And then what's our dose on hand? 1 gram and 250 milliliters. So myself, I'm converting all this to milligrams just because that's, how I like to be. kg, g, mg, mcg. Let's do this first. 5,4,000 micrograms to milligrams. I'm grabbing it. 1, 2, 3. And that will be 54 milligrams is what Mr. Maine wants. And then I'm going to take that 1 gram and I'm going to do it right here just because I can. 1 gram, I'm going to milligrams, so I got to move it to the right. Want that whole number, it's understood to be behind it. 1, 2, 3, and my zeros. And so 1,000 milligrams is our dose on hand. And we're setting up our problem. Are you with me so far? Hang on, tie a knot in it and hang on. What he wants is 54 milligrams. What I have is 1,000 milligrams. How does that come? In 250 mil. Look at me, joules. 250 milliliters, sorry. Sometimes I just got to call my name. And we're doing the math. That divided by that times that. Okay? 54 divided by 1 equals times 250 equals. It will be 13.5 milliliters per hour. And we're rounding it to a whole number. 14 milliliters per hour. You get that? Look. You know what we just did. We saved another one. Okay. I had 4 problems. I don't know what even number we're on. All right, here we go. The licensed provider orders Dobutamine 5 micrograms per kilogram per minute. The concentration of Dobutamine is 2 grams in 250 milliliters, and the patient weighs 80 kilograms. What are you gonna do? Thankfully, they put it in kilograms, so we're going in with the weight, 80 kilograms. And he wants 5 micrograms for every kilogram. So we got to multiply that times 5. Get your handy-dandy calculator. 80 times 5 equals 400. 400 micrograms per minute. But, of course, Ethel wants it in milliliters per hour, so I'm going to multiply this micrograms per minute times 60 to find the micrograms per hour. 2,400 micrograms per hour. All right. And then we're going to convert like we did a minute ago. Grams, milligrams, micrograms. 2,400 micrograms to milligrams. We're going that to the left. 1, 2, 3. That'll equal 24 milligrams is the dose ordered. And then we have 2 grams. 2 grams. We're going from grams to milligrams. 1, 2, 3. So we have on hand what he wants is 24 milligrams. What we have on hand is 2,000 milligrams. And it is, how's that come? 250 milliliters. And then we're doing the math. That divided by that times that. You just got to make peace with doing a bunch of steps. But as long as you know them steps, then do them. Equals times 250 equals. Look, 3 milliliters per hour. You reckon? Boom. Yeah, we saved another one. Yeah, we did. And we got another one. Look at here. Okay, this got to be the last one. The licensed prescriber orders Dobutamine 10 micrograms per kilogram. The concentration is 2 grams and 250. The Homer weighs 90 kilograms. What are you going to do? Okay, we got to start with your weight always, just so you are uniform in your process. 90 kilograms. And he wants 10 micrograms for every one of those. 10 micrograms. We're doing the math. 90 times 10 equals 900. 900 what? Micrograms per what? Minute. And you know Ethel. She's an hour kind of girl. So we're going to multiply this times 60 minutes. Times 60 equals 54,000. 54, I shouldn't have done that, 1,000 micrograms per hour. And look, I'm just going to do this here. You know, it's understood to be there. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And so this would equal 54 milligrams per hour, what Mr. Maine wants. And then what we have in our hand is 2 grams. And you know by now, 2 grams equals 2,000 milligrams. So here we go. What he wants is 54 milligrams. What has the same last name to go in here is my 2,000 milligrams. How's it coming? Let's say your old standard 250 milliliters. And then we're doing the math. This divided by that times that. Look, I hope you're like, psh, bring me a Dobutamine problem. Divided by 2,123 equals times 250 equals. That will be 6.75. And that will equal 7 milliliters per hour. Look at there. We saved another one. Boom. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Pray for my iPad. And thank you for watching. Y'all like and share. And find me on Facebook and all that. Like, share, comment. If you want more of these, holler. If you have problems you'd like me to work, you know, let me know. Have a good day.